The Resources API provides developers with fine-tuned control over both the request and response for resources returned from the resource repository. The Resources API is modeled after OpenReferral's HSDA or Human Services Data API suite of protocols. For more information about OpenReferral or the HSDA protocols, please consult openreferral.org. In this video, I'm going to provide a quick overview of the various operations that are available from the API and dive into one of the API calls so you can get a sense of the parameters that are available for fine-tuning results returned. So here we're on the Resources API page. I'm going to select the Get List of Organization with Full Details operation, and we can see by just scrolling down through the page that we have more than 60 different get operations that will return data on a variety of content or themes. So for example, we can return a full list of all organizations, a simple list, or we can get a list with all details of organizations. We can also return information on contacts, locations, and services, both simple and complete. Again, for more information on these APIs and protocols, please consult openreferral.org. Here we're going to demonstrate the Get List of Organization with full details. So here we're at that API page. We're going to select Try It. And let's keep this query quite simple. We're going to return the first page of results, and let's only return 5 results. So we're just going to simply return a list of organization with the details about those organizations. We'll go ahead and hit send. And back comes the array of organizations along with details on their services and locations. You can see the data as we scroll here through the information. So in order to control the data returned, we provide a number of other parameters. The most important is the queries parameter. The queries parameter allows you to essentially conduct a search on any one of the fields that are returned in the response. Let's use the get services operation in order to perform a query with that particular parameter. So we'll scroll down here and we're looking for the get operation that returns a list of services. Here we go, returns a list of services with full details and filtering support. So let's go ahead and select that one and hit try. And now what we would like to do is we're going to perform a similar query, but on services this time, and we're going to return the first page. We'd like to bring back 5 results, but now what we'd like to do is use one of the field values on service in order to filter the results returned. So one of those values on service is fees. So these are the fees, whether they're applicable to the service or not. So let's look for all services where fees is equal to none. So this would be all services where no fee applies. We want to return only the top 5 results, and we're not going to use the sort by or order by in this particular call. So let's go ahead and submit that. And now back come only those services, the top 5 services for the first page we asked for. But in this case, we're returning only services with fees equal to none. So you can see the various fields that are available on the record that can be used to fine-tune the results returned for any one of these operations. To learn more about the Resources API, please consult the documentation in the resource repository and consult as well the OpenReferral documentation on HSDA. Thanks for watching.